Hello guys, welcome back. I created this music concert poster designed by using Photoshop. First I started with background by adding a dual color gradient to it. I used light orangish black color. Then I placed the main subject image at center. Make it larger. I picked the color theme from the image I placed here. I had an idea of big image reflection at the back side. So I play with the opacity. Then make a duplicate of it and place at the center of the flyer. I got this poster idea inspiration on Pinterest. Next, I started placing text to it. Select any bold font for this. I placed the text behind the Music Man for contrast look. Also make sure with the hierarchy of the poster. Get balanced text. And I thought to add some elements on the empty places of the design. Take a duplicate of it. As of music concert poster, I place some visual music elements here and there. Next, I played with the layer style box and opacity. Create some audience's shadow on the poster. You can download it on any free source like Pixels, Pixabay. Blend the shadow with the poster. Drop the social media icon. I changed the subtext to the name of festival. Also add the basic information below the image. In these poster design I used vibrant colors like Caribbean blue and white for the text. Finally, I need some glow on the element, so I added by using the layer style option. And here is the result.